What's up, everybody? Hey, hey! Welcome back to Dell. How are y'all doing today? Make sure that you leave a comment, like it, click a little thumbs up, give this a like, and also next to that, turn that gray into red. Oh wait, turn the red into gray. Turn the red to gray, and make sure you subscribe. And then next to that is the bell, and you hit that so that way you don't miss whenever we upload. Because you know you don't want to miss us. You don't want to miss us, y'all. You don't want to miss us, y'all. And we ain't gonna bother you with too many posts, y'all. We post just enough, so just come on, just come on. So y'all, today we are doing the water challenge. If you don't see these bottles of beautiful, great value water, make sure you catch you a deal. It ain't gotta be the real brand, but water is water. So y'all, we are doing the water challenge where you have to drink 3 bottles of water in 2 minutes. Now, I like water, but I don't like water like that. So I don't know how this go.
This is about to be some fun.
I told my mother to do it. I was like, Mom, we could do that. She was like, boy, that's 3 water bottles of water. I was like, but
no,
it's just
I
like
ain't saying we can't do it, but we got to do another video. That's what I'm saying.
I know, but it's just water. It's just water. It's gonna flush out your system.
I ain't saying I drink water all the time. That's what I've been doing, detoxing my body.
And this is a good challenge, actually. Just like Tam's table with her collard greens challenge. We need to eat more greens, and you need to drink your water. So shout out to her, because she's right.
You name it.
Mama. And so was the Turner Sisters. So this is created by the Turner Sisters. The Turner Sisters. I almost said Tina Turner. This was by the Turner Sisters, y'all. So, Mama, y'all, she's so extra. It's too hot for all this. Did you like her with her first lady hat on? Don't she look like she's finna go to church? Yes, first lady. Yes. This is from our first lady collection. We're giving you fall. I'm gonna do a close up. We're giving you fall look. Fall. Autumn. We're giving you autumn look.
We're giving you a red look.
Autumn look
cameraman.
From Ulta Beauty.
Oh yeah, lipstick. Autumn.
We're giving you a little bit of red with the brown. And ain't we matching a little bit? Yes, y'all. We're doing a little bit of fall here today.
We did a little bit of fall.
We need to start this, because then people gonna be like, dang, y'all ain't never gonna start the challenge.
Move
that out the way. Oh, she put a timer.
Y'all yelling at me. Y'all see my
Okay, can you just put that right there?
So it's created by the Turner Sisters, but we was called out by Miss LovelyV Munch Bunch, our new sister.
Another mister.
Yes, from another mister. Same mister. Another mister. Our sister. I don't know.
Y'all got the same daddy? What you mean, same mister?
You don't never know. You never know.
Y'all, she got daddy problem issue stuff in the back.
I'm not my daddy. I know who my daddy.
Maybe we should do a video on that. That's a whole different video.
That's a whole nother subject, y'all.
Anyway, y'all, come on.
Okay, so we gotta do this. We ain't gonna
You gonna start the challenge?
Yeah, I'm
okay. So we got 2 minutes. Lord
ready?
Jesus.
You ready?
1,
oh, God.
2, 3, go.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
I eat slow, y'all.
You drink slow.
I eat slow and I drink slow. I drink and eat like an old man.
Oh, yeah, you talking. You could beat the time.
Stella! Oh. That's my sister in the background, y'all.
Oh, God, Jesus. Why
Keep
on going, man.
Oh, I be thinking I'm done.
Come on, Mama, you could do the last one.
No, I ain't.
They're like 40-something seconds.
Ooh, that make me bloated.
Y'all weak.
Mm-mm.
Let me see you sit here and drink them.
I should never did the challenge there. I bet y'all would did it.
Oh, Lord. I might have to wait a little bit till I eat Jesus.
I told you.
I told y'all to eat.
Mama!
Well, y'all would have got through half of the first time.
Little no, because we would have been drinking while we was eating. Oh. Mm-mm.
Well,
Yeah, that's something about me. It made me nauseous.
1, 2,
Mm-mm.
5, 8, 4, 3, 8, 2, 5, 1.
God.
Then they lost it by the time.
I feel like a whale. I feel like a whale.
Oh, Jesus.
Virtuous. Put it back. Put it back. Lord. Lip virtuous.
That's not fun.
That's not. I can't do no more water challenges. Don't. That's just like the 15 juices.
The Capri Sun?
I mean, yeah, the Capri Sun. Look, I can't think straight. Oh Lord, that's too much
This y'all was
water.
tired.
That made me feel bloated. Yeah, this challenge was an epic fail. It went and it came. It was only 2 minutes anyway. Y'all first lady, she feeling the spirit right
Y'all
now.
really could have did that last
Virtuous. You cannot be in the camera.
She acted up. This whole day she been
Oh
acting up.
Lord.
Y'all,
First lady about to pass out.
I'm not about to pass out.
First lady is tired. She'd have been baptized and filled with the holy water. Literally.
The white baggy.
The great value, the great holy water of the great Walmart. Amen. Save money. Live better. Amen.
Hit her with that value.
What little hit her with the value? Hit her with the value. Yes, Lord. Okay, y'all. We go close this one out real quick. This is short and sweet. This is the quickest one we ever did.
Because I think Mama Dad got to go to the bathroom. Because this is not right.
You still feeling it?
Now the Bible says like a fire shut up in my bones. This is
What
like
fire?
A river.
You got water.
A river. I said, you know how the Bible says. It's like a fire shut up in my bones.
Okay, Mama.
This is like a river overflowing.
Uh-huh.
And the waterfall
Mm-hmm.
in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I don't know what she talking about.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, Mama. So
Lord God.
we gonna let these people go.
Okay, we let y'all go. But before we let y'all go, y'all thought we was going to let y'all go without getting nobody.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Even I forgot, y'all.
No.
We gotta challenge some people.
So, the first letter is challenging. Shall
Eat.
eat. Yes.
Your name will be right
Your
here.
name will be right there. Her and her lovely assistant, Miss London, can help her with this. 2 minutes, 3 water bottles.
That's real simple.
Next person, we ain't call out in a minute.
Mukbang and things.
Miss D.
That's our family right there, y'all.
She been with us from the beginning. Get your 3 bottles, your 2 minutes, and get to drinking. Then our next people, our other, now this is another sister from another miss.
We ain't called that out yet.
We about to.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Our other sister from another miss. Veggie
Pals. Yes.
You and Abby.
Get you on this water.
Get y'all water.
Get you on this water.
Y'all water, baby. Got the water.
Water.
Got the water, baby.
Get you on this water.
The drip, drip.
So if you notice, the people that we called out, y'all know y'all healthy.
Yes. Shell has been on her water kick, so this gonna help y'all, sister.
Mukbang
This
and
gonna help you.
things.
Mukbang and
She's
things.
vegan.
She's vegan. And then Veggie Pals, the name speaks for itself.
Yeah. So you can't do this one.
Yeah.
Cause I remember Mukbang and things talking about some. Oh, I don't know if I could do the Capri Sun.
She did it.
I don't
though.
know
She did
if
it like
that
a
means
soldier. She was calling us out, calling name, but
Oh Lord.
we still love her.
Amen.
Amen.
First lady still love you.
The first lady, and the church is praying for you.
Amen.
And the arms
Church,
the
Mount
door.
South Central of Zion, and Dukewood
Yes.
Baptist Church of
Yes.
and
We
Higher
is not no
Episcopal
Baptist. We is
Baptist
not no
and
Episcopal.
highest in the Lord land, the Mount Zion of the churches of America and beyond, and of the last Latter-day Saints. Amen. Amen.
Okay, this video long.
So we gonna catch y'all another video, y'all. Lila, can you be?
Why
Can you
we
stay
always
over
gotta have sideline cheerleaders?
We talking to the people. They like talking to us.
Give me an eye. Oh,
A B in the eye.
I said give me a P. Give
What's
me
a P in the eye?
A P in the
Pie?
I don't know.
Give me a P.
Out the sky? You want a
Picky
P?
them,
Out the sky?
Lila, they ain't no picky. You didn't even spell it out right.
I said give me a P.
Oh.
You didn't finish it.
I know. I was trying to finish
Ooh,
it.
come on, come on.
I know. I'm
got
starting
some
to
more.
burn. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna catch y'all another video. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Stay pray for her. Pray for First Lady. Make sure you stay tuned, stay present, stay relevant, and we'll catch y'all another video, y'all. So be sure to like,
Comment and subscribe.
and subscribe. Be sure to like,
Hey,
comment, and subscribe. Hey, right, y'all.